What is an SSL certification? Now that you were able to receive a right amount of information about what an SSL is and how it impacts your business, it's now the proper time to talk about what comprises a secured website. After going over the previous topic, you might be asking yourself, what happens to your website when you start using SSL? What should be done to make the transaction between a customer and site confidential? In this topic, we'll talk about what an SSL certificate is and what's the purpose of an SSL certificate. SSL certificate revealed. The SSL certificate is a set of numbers or codes that a website uses as part of an authentication process. It's a way for the internet to verify that a website is valid and helps confirm the company's identity. Every time a user accesses your website, the customer's web browser will communicate with your site's SSL certificate. And when the connection gets established, the sharing of information becomes encrypted. It secures your link and the user's connection, which prevents cyber attackers from intercepting your communication and sharing of information. Why would a company need an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate helps a business prove its identity. As a business owner, you want your customers to trust you when it comes to online transactions. It helps you get another level of authentication. When your website uses an SSL certificate, it helps you increase and strengthen your online presence. It's important that search engines see that you're running through a secured line. It will help these search engines promote your business to potential customers. If you do not have an SSL certificate and a cyber attacker will intercept the information your customers are sharing, your customers' data will be at risk. Just imagine an online imposter pretending to be you. Your customers would think that they're communicating with a legitimate business when in fact they're transacting business with a hacker. It will impact the trust your customers have in your business. An SSL certificate protects data shared on the internet. When customers transact business with your company, they would need to share confidential information such as account numbers and login credentials. It also protects your company's login details. These are the types of information hackers want to have. A hacker can use these kinds of information to make illegal transactions with another business. When you use an SSL certificate, you get the assurance that hackers will not see or get these types of information. All these kinds of data will be encrypted, or in a more straightforward term, it'll be locked in a box that hackers cannot access. Migrating your web server to HTTPS will be the best decision you will do for your business. It will even help you increase your ranking regarding search engine optimization. That said, you can create a protected online environment for you and your customers.